learning project by NHAI at Karbi Anglong not less than a death trap to daily commuters. CEM inaugurates to start quad size at Bayarong, block number 3 under Koilamati.
Amar Jivan adawai kinang ji atumaphan isi birta kemi. Bangso adawai non ke Karbi Anglong pen West Karbi Anglong along setami long pon ikji. Lapenan parta nang lina hok damde hem toblun pen nang li hem an nang ke pathon kok mate home delivery our size setami do ikji. Lapen isi alam ning chibi ikha nang li surihinira pharu plia tangka chepadam pen cheklojon plia pharman Amar Jivan adawai long ikji. Lasi humri ignon Amar Jivan.
Pangkem bortoman la mojiona dua cendon pen jelari kengi suka iri kengi suka timi kerja hai bang sap ini pun bom pasar tipi jenis macam kalau siapa non kecian tulut.
Klardak pen kacini jiapan troxy highway hini drop ho highway troxy nerkapalong humri ignon.
Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. 4-laning project was undertaken by National Highway Authority of India NHAI to connect Assam and Nagaland at Karbi Anglong. Some sections of the road were constructed completely while some sections are underway and in some sections the construction work just initiated. But look at this visual. In this horrifying visual, you can see the rods coming out at the middle of the road without any indication of dangers. NHAI are not following the guidelines for safety measures. Have a proper look at these rods. Every day, more than thousands of vehicles passes through this national highway, but the roads erected from the concrete of the ongoing construction of RCC bridge near Denarong Market is not less than a death trap for the daily commuters.
Cycle pen ke patong pusonta alam ki dolo la son na taxi jo la haya road mo khake alang litum ben bet mate la tum alang litum safety measurement and vegmanji sitame en epz alang litum four lane la bangso ke semar la baga to walo jo la kangri kangra ke be ka tum ta tuji mami ke ajo phirlo ke thek long le tum ta tuji.
Not only this, several reports of accidents were also reported due to non-provision of radium lights along the national highway and non-provision of signs for bad roads, potholes and gutters in the middle of the road. Likewise, at Denarong areas where the 4-laning process is going on, dust and dirt produced from the construction site had contaminated the air in the region due to non-spraying of water on the roads by the NHAI.
Lason dakta si penang ana dim alang litum towar ki hudalang sidame alang litum radium light bipon pe lason light ki bipon pe ajo penang an pai katum las puson kacing koi alam ki sidame klang follow don market den open become their own Karbi Anglong Live.
Bikram Teron's report from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. To initiate the quad-size mining process by the government of Assam under Mines and Minerals Department, inaugural ceremony was observed at Koilamati Playground in presence of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on 22nd September. David Pangcho, contractor, was appointed as an in charge to look after the quad-size mining process at Koilamati, and the inauguration for the mining was done by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. In this inaugural ceremony, Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horen Singbe, MLA Vidya Singh Inglang, and EMs and MSCs, Director of Mines and Minerals Ananta Das, attended as the guest of the event. Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while delivering their speeches, informed that earlier quad-size mining was done unlawful and illegal. But now, after the agreement with Mines and Minerals Department was signed, everything would proceed under the law terms and conditions with proper permit. The government would also generate a handsome revenue from it.
KAL Autonomous Council pen Assam government chingwai chingsai ban CMU ni chetok lo London chetok memorandum of understanding hola so teng pen ke 60% bang ke KAL Autonomous Council long po 40% bang ke state government long po la pen dambom pen si lan pining 60% long po morning ke 70% po morning si ke 80% po morning si ke 90% po lanikan long ke Lingkan phong mong ke laki 10% KAL Autonomous Council panang PG pansi state government pen in principle to Kroil.
On this inaugural ceremony, all Nilip youth took the opportunity to hand over a memorandum to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAL Autonomous Council, placing 7 major demands in the memorandum. CEM Ronghang gave his assurance to fulfill all their demands within 5 years from now.
Nilibalu Rusem Sing Tia Statue Nangji Punitum Abetai lo kahan. Nasipini le thos nilitum memorandum ng sistame jongpon lo je koila mati along la pen proper chukila along Rusem Sing Tia Statue na pivek nangji pusi la pen do thulang dak nilibalu pinangan non bang ke kichali aphainang batang lo.
All the natural resources available in KAL would be taken control by the Department of Mines and Minerals. And from now onwards, not even a single resources would be extracted illegally. The revenue generated from all the resources would directly go to the government. David Pangcho expressed his words of gratitude to all the dignitaries present and to all the stakeholders and successfully inaugurated the quad-size mining process. Anand Terang's report from Bokajang and Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, KAL Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining KAL Live. Have a good day.